You know what really just pisses me off? When I hear someone say, oh, just work hard and you'll be fine. And I'm sitting there thinking like, do you know how many people work hard in life and are nowhere near successful? There's millions of people every week that work, 12-hour days every single day of the week and aren't where they want to be in life. So what exactly are we supposed to do if not work hard? Is there any other way to get successful without working hard? And while I'm not going to say you don't have to work hard to become successful, success doesn't come just from working hard. In fact, a lot of people actually get caught up in this working hard cycle, but then never actually achieve any of their dreams, and that is for a few key points. First of all, just because you work 60, 80 hours a week does not mean you deserve to be successful. And a lot of people get this misconstrued. They're like, okay, well, the system works like I get a job, I get paid a wage, and then if I work more, that wage will increase and I can buy more things. And this is the exact opposite of how you should be thinking if you want to become successful. The first thing you must be doing at any point in time within the cycle is investing in yourself and investing in assets that will grow your income. If you work so hard for your money, why wouldn't you want your money to work hard for you? And this goes to things beyond money as well. For example, relationships. If you want to work hard in a relationship, you can't be the only one working hard to improve this dynamic between two people in order to find a good balance and to find fulfillment. And this is exactly what you want to do when you're starting building wealth or anything else in life. And this goes beyond just working hard. You have to be actively seeking new skills or new assets that you can invest in order to be successful in life. Tens of millions of people work hard in the US every single year. But does that mean they're contributing to their 401k for their future? Does that mean they're trying to start businesses, trying to grow their skills? No, it doesn't. And hard work alone won't just get you that. So yes, you have to work hard, but you also have to move thoroughly through a specific and a realistic plan. And now I don't mean realistic in the sense that you can't achieve great things. In fact, that's the complete opposite. I think you should write up your wildest dreams in a realistic plan, meaning step by step, how the fuck am I actually going to achieve this? And the next part of becoming successful is networking with everyone around you. You have to be in dynamic environments that get you around a multitude of different personalities and multitude different sorts of businesses, wealth, and mindsets. Find out whatever industry you're interested in and consult the best. And if you can't consult the best, keep going down that list until you find somebody who will talk to you. Just working hard will not get you this. You need to actively go seek out relationships with people. And this is not a mutually exclusive benefit, right? You guys can both be benefiting stuff from each other, and that's a lot of networking, right? You may have to provide services for free. You might have to, work for minimum wage. Whatever your methodology is, you must be networking as much as you possibly can. You have to break your mind free from these societal norms that a lot of people in your life will tell you and keep assuring you that this is the only way to go. You must go to college. You must work in the trades. You must work as a lawyer. Fuck that. Find your purpose. Search deep in your soul and use your energy wisely. And kind of piggybacking off of that, saving your energy and using it wisely could also mean something as simple as, instead of you going out and taking the time and money to go mow your grass, you hire someone else to. And instead of mowing the grass, you do something that's going to make you more money in the meantime. Outsource all the things that are taking away your energy from what is giving you the best ROI. Maybe you're not in a position where that makes sense yet, and that's fine. But I guarantee you there's some things in your life that you can outsource in order to increase energy in other areas of your life that are going to give you a much higher satisfaction and rate of return on your time and money than doing that other task would. So all these things need to be taken into consideration when you want to become successful. I'll give you a personal example. For me, I'm trying to get my degree in electrical engineering. And while doing that, I've also wanted to get a ton of experience in the field. So I went out and got an internship. I also wanted to buy cool toys like this JDM Miata. And I could not do all these things by simply just working hard. I worked hard to get and do all those things, but that wasn't the only factor at play. So just because you're working hard doesn't mean you deserve or are going to get success. And really, working hard at things that are meaningless is, in the long term, actually not working hard at all. You're being lazy because you don't want to figure out something that will actually improve your life because it'll take too much time out of your day. Or, oh, I'm too tired for that. I work too hard. All this is to say is that when somebody tells you to get successful, you just must work hard, they are lying to you. There's so much more that you need to do to become successful that working hard is really just a byproduct of all the other things you must have in line to become successful. Anyways, thank y'all for watching. See y'all in the next one.
I've been finding myself, looking for help. What the fuck can you do that I can't do for myself? All this pain that I felt, no I ain't well. You asked for the truth, but it's harder to tell. Sorry I hurt you, I'm just scared to fail. There's two ways to do it, it's death or it's jail. Cause no, I'm not perfect, my feelings go stupid. I'm trying not to lose it, ain't trying to go to hell.